Hello again. It's time for a bit of a mail call, and it's extremely late. I was going to do laundry, and I forgot to turn on the machine. So now it's a very late night for me. There's a mail call. Short little knife here. Boxing from Croatia. So let's have a look. It's open. What with this? Alright. A few things in this. 2 seconds. And the first thing I'd like to show you is actually a soap that I've tried before, and I was not impressed. It sort of retails itself being high mentholated, kinda. Also on the ingredients list, and the menthol is quite high, but when I tried it out, I had no kind of menthol sensation on my skin at all. I figured, why not give it another go? Perhaps the batch was bad. If it is simply the standard, I have a sort of a test, an experiment I would like to do with it. I like to put in little canvas in the soap. I like to boil some water, put in a small glass, and then fill it with menthol crystals and pour it over the soap and leave it for weeks to dry in. That's this one. So let's see if that's an experiment that we're going to do, because if it has mentholated, then I'll be able to, kind of sense the fumes. Looks like this. Very nice packaging. I'll hate snakes myself. I do get some menthol actually off this. So perhaps I'll do a test lather to see how strong it is on the skin. Tough one. Let's see. Just doing some digging here. Excuse me. Perma-Sharp. Asta Green, just to try out. And a more standard, inexpensive soap with a matching splash down here as well. But also red. Nice sandalwood scent. And I love to try this out. And this, as I said, there's a matching splash down here as well. Now, this second one is actually quite intriguing. It's supposed to be sort of a homage, a duplicate, very close to Florist 89, which was Ian Fleming's favourite scent, which is also why it is called Bond from HCNC. A very nice scent, hard crope, and there's a matching splash somewhere in here as well. Let's see how it looks. It's right here. Excuse me. There it is. Tiger Milk. Bond. James Bond, it says. So that's basically it. Matching splash from Barossa Red. It's also down here. So, tiny mail call, upcoming shaves, whatnot. Thank you for tuning in for this tiny unboxing, and stay safe, and I'll make sure I won't pass out from sleep. Goodbye everyone.